Hi, SketchLab friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a 3D slice of rainbow cake. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off and draw two dots. That's going to determine the height of this cake. Now another one for the width. So today we're going to use a 45-degree angle and draw these little diagonal lines at the corner and also in this top left-hand corner. So this is a matching line, parallel, and this is also a matching line. So we had vertical and vertical, and then horizontal and horizontal. Let's draw these giant eyes. We're going to draw this fun expression on our cake, and it really brings this character to life. This line that curves to the left. We have these little two white dots. Then we're going to draw this line that curves up for the nose. And we're going to give this slice of cake a little silly expression. So this is going to be the frosting. Using these wavy lines going around the top of this form. You can see we have some construction lines that I'm going and erasing because now we're using what's called overlapping. So this frosting is now in front of the cube that we just drew for the cake. Gotta make it drippy, bro. And then we're erasing out those construction lines once again for the top of the cake. So now we're going to be starting the whipped cream. So again, using these wavy lines. Let's go ahead and add that cherry. We add a little bit more overlapping with the whipped cream. And at the top, this is like a shark's fin. I'm going to curve a line to the left. And another one. Adding these little cross contour lines that curve around, so it makes that whipped cream look more three-dimensional. to kind of darken up some of these lines that I'm going to be outlining here. You can see how you can start off with the form, and we're just slightly changing the outline a little bit, making it look a little bit more organic, giving this character a little bit more weight, a little bit more character. You got to give him those rosy cheeks. So I decided I'm going to give this guy a little dimple. And then these are going to be the lines, and you can see on the right hand side we're matching those same 45-degree angles. So it starts off with a horizontal line across and a 45-degree angle on the right hand side. And as we're getting ready to color, as you know, if you don't have Posca paint markers, you can use whatever you have. I always recommend a 48 pack of colors, so you have colors to use as value. So for instance, there's different values of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple in those sets. I'm just outlining with this Sharpie marker for this one, but it's always good to have a fine detailed marker. And so I'm going in with the Posca paint markers. Getting those rainbow layers of the cake in. And we're going to work a little bit more on getting this top part of the cake appearing more three-dimensional. So I made a light gray. So you can actually color mix with Posca paint markers. So I went in with gray, went over it with the white. And now I have light pink and pink. So we need those two values to add depth and dimension to our artwork. Especially with the cherry, going from light to dark on those values. Then you can see adding these highlights as well with the white and some sprinkles and some other details, really bringing our character to life. Well, good job, guys. Well, if you enjoyed this video, I've got a bunch more on my playlist. Go ahead and check that out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.